Forecasting with ARMA errors. Forecasting with AR terms. Models with ARMA terms are also widely used in forecasting. The presence of ARMA terms involves some additional complexities in forecasting, which would like to highlight in this section. Let's take an example about estimation with ARMA or ER. Start with AR terms. Number one, let's specify a model with two AR terms. So SMBL sample EST, LS payroll C, AR1, AR2, and A trend, and expand A month and drop last. After pressing the enter and saving the equation in Q6, we will produce dynamic and static forecast for the AR2 model, which we just estimated. So we will click forecast on the equation 06 as usual. Forecast dialog will open and will write EQ06 dynamic for the dynamic series and EQ06 stat for the static forecast series. Under forecast sample, we will make sample 2, sample 4, and under method we select dynamic forecast for the dynamic series and static forecast for the static series, and we set the rest of the parameters are shown here in the box of forecast, and we click OK. The forecast output for both methods is shown in the front of us right now. To produce forecast with AR terms, EViews adds forecast of the residual to the forecast of the structural model. The structural model is based only on explanatory variables. As expected, the static forecast goes up to 2013 month 4, April, and performs better than the dynamic forecast. In the dynamic forecast, the lagged residuals are forecasted. This means that future values of lagged residuals are formed using the forecasted values of the dependent variables, because it's forecasted in a dynamic way. In contrast, the static forecast uses actual lagged residuals and actual values for the dependent variable to produce forecasts. Thank you.